Hello friends, welcome with Knowledge Extension, and today we're going to learn outcomes of MIT App Inventor. So let's see what is MIT App. So MIT App Inventor is a web application integrated development environment originally provided by Google and now maintained by MIT. It allows newcomers to computer programming to create application software for two operating systems, Android and iOS. Now let's see the outcomes. The first outcome, MIT App Inventor allows to young children create their own mobile application. So the second, MIT App Inventor is not just for building games. You can also use to create educational softwares like quizzes and other apps that allow a user to step through a sequence of information. That's a very important part. The third but not the least, you can build games like Whack-A-Mole, Tic-Tac-Toe, Pong, or a game that lets you draw funny pictures on your sibling face. And I think a lot of games have been built in this app. If you wanted to learn this app, please contact us. We would be very happy to help you out. And the best part, which we have been telling in most of our videos, that we provide one-to-one classes. We don't provide the classes in the group. So you're most welcome to write down the comment, to write down an email, to call us for the free demo classes, or if you wanted to know more information about the web application, stay tuned. Thank you for watching our video.